Hello students, today in English subject we will discuss the page number 127. Students, I know that you have completed the question number C. Today we will do the question number D, E and F. So students, before go to the next, we will just revise the question number C. So students, question number C it is saying that for nouns that end in a consonant plus y, the plural is formed by replacing the y with ies at the end of the word. So students, here it is saying that for nouns that end in a consonant plus y, the plural is formed by replacing the y. So singular plural you can see here. For example, army spelling ARMY. M is consonant plus y is there, no? So then what you have to remove the y. You have to write down, instead of y you have to write down IES. So then it will become a plural. Now students, you see here lady spelling is there, LADY. You can see D is consonant plus y, then it is become a lady. So lady is singular. When you will make it plural, what you have to do? You have to write down, you have to remove the y, you have to write down IES, then it will become a plural, ladies. Got it? So students, so in question number C we have learnt that consonant plus y is there, then you have to replace the y with ies. Got it? So you have to replace the y with ies. You have to replace the y with ies. You have to remove the y and you have to write ies. Consonant, if there is consonant plus y, you have to understand. So students, so now come to the next, D. So for nouns that end in a vowel plus y, see, before we study consonant plus y, today we will discuss vowels plus y. So here it is saying that for nouns that end in a vowel plus y, the plural is formed by adding s at the end of the word. Got it? So for nouns that end in a vowel plus y, the plural is formed by adding s at the end of the word. So if now they have given examples, you can see. Now you can see here singular and plural. So students, for an example, key spelling is there, KEY. E is what? Is vowel. Okay, so vowel plus y is there. Then what you have to do? You have to make the plural adding s. So then key is there, you can write down here keys, then it will become a plural. Understood? Because vowel is there. Now you can see here monkey, MONKEY. EY is there. E means vowel plus y is there. So that's why what you have to write? Monkeys. Only you have to add the s, then it will become a plural. So these are the things students you have to remember. Understood? Consonant plus y, what you have to do? You have to remove the y, you have to write IES, then it will become a plural. Now D, it is saying that vowel plus y, then you have to add only s, then it will become a plural. Now students, come question number E. It is saying here for nouns that end with F or FE. You can see here F or FE. the plural is formed by replacing f or fe with v and adding es at the end of the word. So now if the noun, what happen? If the noun is having f or fe, what you have to do? You have to replace, you have to remove f also, fe also. Instead of f and fe, what you have to write? You have to write down v. You have to write down v and adding es. Then it will become a plural. So examples they have given. You can see here singular, calf, calf, calf is there. You can see f is there, no? So what they did? They remove f. Understood? So what they have written in plural? Curves, calv. They have written v, es, curves. Cup, curves. V is there. Cup, curves. Now another example, wife. See, f is there. Understood? So wife spelling is what? W-I-F-E. So f is there. So you have to remove the fe. You have to write them wives. W-I-V-E-S. Wives. Wife, wives. So these are the things, students, you have to remember. These are the definition you have to remember. You have to keep in your mind. You have to practice. You have to study more. Then you will understand. Now come to the question number F. So question number F is saying that, however, some nouns do not follow any rule. Some nouns are there. They do not follow any rule. They have their own plural forms. They never follow any rules. They have their own plural forms. Examples we'll discuss. You can see singular and plural, two box. Now you can see man, man, same. Now, but it is same, sound is same, but it is spelling is different. Here man is there, here men is there. For example, if you write man means one man. If you write that men means more than one. You can see a mouse. Understood? Mouse, and in plural you have to write down mice. Got it? So you can see here child, and you can see here children. So students, you have to remember these are the things. So students, today what you have to do? Today you have to study the question number C also, no problem. If you practice the grammar, you will improve more. Practice the C, practice D, E, F. And after practicing, you have to memorize. These are the definition. You have to memorize. You have to study more. Then you will understand. You can see my video and you can discuss with your mother, father, parents. For example, like grandfather, if he knows the English. For example, your sister, brother. You can discuss with them. You can improve with your parents. You can discuss with your parents, with brother, sister. Then you will improve. And after that, these are the definitions are very important and very useful. After memorizing and after understanding these are the definition, you have to memorize these are the words and you have to write in your notebook. Understood? These are the singular and plural forms. Then you will improve more. Thank you, students. Send me homework through the WhatsApp. Wish you all the best. Thank you. God bless you.